Woo! Okay, so this is just a little, well, I say unboxing, but I have already unboxed everything because I think it's so pretty and I wanted to look at it. So I got this washi set from Parasol Paper Co. And it is like a witchy Halloweeny set. One is in color and one is in monochrome or like just black and hollow. And it is so, is that hollow? Yes. So pretty. I love it. And also I got the washi card to go with it. I've never used a washi card before, but I thought, why not? Is that focusing? Why not? Because it'll be really, really cute. I can always use it for something. I don't know. But anyway, there's that. And it came with these two freebies. So that one from dolceplanner.com. And then this one from Simple Southern Mommy. So I thought that was really, really cute. Let's see. Then I have an order from Creating & Co. It came with this mini Hello Winter journaling card, which is so cute. And then this is the big journaling card that came with it. Snow days like reading days. Love it. Okay, so I got a November monthly. I actually didn't order the November monthly. I ordered the December monthly, and they sent the wrong one, but they are going to send me the correct one. Love that shop and shopping with them forever. And that's for a hobo. Then I got this Christmas one. Merry Christmas Hobo Weekly, which I thought was super pretty. Love Christmas. Then I got this. And this one is the Buffy the Vampire Slayer Hobo Weekly, which is so cute. I love it. I also got this one in the vertical layout, or horizontal layout, because I think this will fit better in my 2020 planner. So I'm actually going to be using this kit twice. Once in my Faux and then once in that half sheet wrong. Then I got some Simply Gilded. So this was the pre-order from July, and I just got it. And because it took so long to ship, she actually sent me another washi for free as like a gift. So thought that was really pretty. It's like a purple with pink and silver bows. This is the Electric Galaxy set, which I am super excited about. I think it's so pretty. And it comes with 4 rolls. So I have this one, which is hollow. And then there's, I guess they're all hollow. And then there's this one that's the constellations. And then I have this one, which is the moons, and it's purple and pink. It's so pretty. And then this one is like stars. Has little hearts in it too. That one's so pretty too. It's like the yellow with pink. And then, as always, it came with a journaling card and a bow sticker. So this is like a very fall colored bow sticker. This one says, every bloom has its season. Not my favorite card, but it is pretty. And then I also ordered the Shattered Glass Hollow Moons set last week. And I got it actually, yes, the same day I got my pre-order. It's so pretty. I love it. So pretty. And it came with a different bow, very fall, and a different card, which I actually, it's pretty cute. I do like the pumpkins. I'm not crazy about the heart thing, but these are free, so I'm not gonna necessarily critique it. I think they're so pretty, and I think it's really neat. They're very nice quality when she sends these out, so that's nice. My favorite one that I've ever gotten is the cats one, which I don't have on me right now, and then this one that I got a little while back with Halloween order. I love that one. And then the cat one, which I need to find. I put it somewhere, and now I don't know where it is. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this little unboxing video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you are not already. If you are subscribed, thank you so much, and I will see you guys later. Bye.